President Trump's announcement to more than double tariffs on roughly $200 billion of products imported from China is leading to uncertainty for business owners in the U.S. In the short term, economist Rob Scott says these businesses have two choices: either eat the cost increase themselves or charge the consumer more to offset the tariffs on these goods.
Middlemen that sell those imported components to small businesses in the U.S. may eat some of that in their profit margins. So we don't know how much small businesses are going to be affected. In the long term, I think the pain is going to be spread. There'll be reduced demand for Chinese exports. That's going to hurt Chinese exporters, although China has taken steps to offset that. But it certainly will, at the end of the day, raise the cost of products containing imported components.
Still, for now, business owners received short notice, just a few days before these tariffs were put into effect. That could impact their bottom line.
I think it's enough time to react, given that everyone is going to have to react to higher prices in the pipeline.
Scott says there is some lag time because the products that are already in transit are not subject to higher tariffs. But new goods shipped are now effectively 15% more expensive. So could the president back off these tariffs before those newly shipped goods arrive?
At this point, it's hard to predict. Trump has shown a great willingness to threaten tariffs and then at the last second withdraw them. And so I think he's learned it in this case. He's under 3 or 4 weeks to play with, so he may, in fact, be playing that game. But he also may, in fact, think that by putting these tariffs in place permanently, he can fundamentally change our trade relationship with China. And that's the big problem. This is not going to fix our trade problem with China.
If not, manufacturers will most likely foot the bill, and both countries could work around the tariffs by moving their production elsewhere.
At the end of the day, U.S. workers are going to be the ones who lose.